Bro, it took me so much efforts to put this camera properly. There's a car coming, but who cares? स्वागत है आप सभी का एक और अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो में. So इस वीडियो में एक नहीं, दो नहीं, there's like so many things which I need to show you guys कि जो मैंने पिछले कुछ समय में खरीदी हैं. So सभी चीज़ें जितनी भी हैं सभी की सभी इस बैग के अंदर हैं. So first of all I'm gonna show you this bag. भाई ये बैग देखो आप, मतलब ये मुझे अपने काम से मिला है. वर्क एट टिमिन्स होंडाई, यहाँ पे एक कार डीलरशिप है, वहाँ पे मैं काम करता हूँ. सो वहीं से मुझे मिला. सी द लोगो मैन, लुक्स वेरी नाइस. जो सबसे पहली चीज़ मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ वो है कि लेट्स गो गाइस. पहली चीज़ है इस बैग के अंदर. सो इसको खोलते हैं एंड गैस करो कमेंट सेक्शन में क्या है. आप ये रिमोट देख के तो अंदाज़ा लगा ही सकते हो कि क्या है ये. यू कैन सी I got a brand new drone. See, I can't believe I bought this. Let me open this up. It's a DJI Mini 3. That's what it is. And भाई मैं बता रहा हूँ, जो इस ड्रोन से शॉट आते हैं ना, गजब भाई गजब. अभी हम इसको करते हैं स्टार्ट. और इस ड्रोन के साथ मुझे मिला है ये. It's like a battery pack. I have 3 batteries and I can charge them at the same time. Bro, it's really nice. If you buy a drone, you need this. अब हम इस बैटरी को डालेंगे यहाँ पे ड्रोन के पीछे. There's like a place. It's like, मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे मैं गन लोड कर रहा हूँ. Let's go. There's one more thing which I always carry with me. ये है मेरा MI का पावर बैंक. मतलब भाई मैंने इंडिया से लिया था, पता नहीं कितने का था, मुझे प्राइस याद नहीं है. बट भाई अगर यहाँ से कहीं भी घूमने जाता हूँ, this thing is always with me. So I'm gonna show you guys. So to start this drone, you have to like press and then hold this button, and there's like, you know, this drone, it does like a really nice animation and it's like a really nice sound. So you press it, I love that sound, bro. That sound is a good sign. Alrighty guys, the thing is connected. Take off caution, blah blah blah, and then you do this. And then see, it's moving, right? That's where the camera is, if you guys can see. And 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go, bro. Wow. I always wanted this. I'm telling you, I always wanted this. Always. I'm gonna make it come like really close to me. Wow. Can you believe this? Can you see this guy? This little guy took all those shots. Isn't it amazing? And to land it, what you can do, there's so many things. For it, I can just hold it from the bottom and keep pressing the down button, and then it's gonna land in my hand. So if I keep pressing the down button, no nakhre. See? I can do it like this. And I'm really happy that I bought this thing, man. Seriously. मतलब कि ऐसा लगता है कि भाई पैसा का क्या है, पैसा आ जाएगा, पैसा चला जाएगा. It's all good, man. But keep buying, keep getting the stuff which you always want, keep getting the things which you like. It's important, man. It's an important part of the life. You have to do it. Like there's no other choice. What if you die tomorrow? Like मतलब भाई अगर कल मर गए तो क्या पैसों को चार डालोगे? हमारे हरियाणा में एक कहावत है, उसको कहते हैं कि छाती पर लेके जाओगा, कड़ ले जाएगा इतने पीछे, छाती पर ले जाएगा. दैट्स अ थिंग. आई नो, मतलब हरियाणा वालों को समझ में आ गया होगा. तो भाई इट फील्स गुड, मैन. इट्स रियली फील्स गुड. जो दूसरी चीज़ है जो मैंने खरीदी है अभी रिसेंटली, दैट्स ऑल्सो समथिंग रियली नाइस. Something really nice. Let me show you guys. And that thing is this DJI mic. Guys, this is DJI mic mini. जो मैंने, I guess I bought it from Amazon. And bro, like right now I'm using this. So this is the sound quality. And usually I personally, मैं मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा ही तेज बोलता हूँ तो sound quality थोड़ी ऊपर नीचे होगी. But bro, this mic, it's really good. Like I can go over there right now to that place and you will still be able to hear me. See, I told you, right? You can still hear me. So that's why I spent all that money on this small DJI mic mini, मतलब 80 कुछ डॉलर का आया था ये. It wasn't that expensive, but भाई right now you can see the sound quality कि मेरा फ़ोन वहाँ पे इतनी दूर है, यहाँ पे मैं हूँ, पता नहीं मैं फ्रेम में हूँ भी कि नहीं, but still the sound must be super clear. अब हम जाएंगे वापस इस स्नो के बीच से. Okay, we are back guys. पहले जूतों में स्नो निकालते हैं भाई. Shoes are full of snow and super wet, really bad. The last thing of this video, it's something really nice, I'm telling you. ये भी मुझे हमेशा से खरीदना था. I always wanted to buy this thing, always. 1, 2, 3. I got myself a really nice Sony ZV E10 mirrorless camera. So look at this thing, guys. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Let me take this cable off. This thing, it's like true definition of beauty. See how this thing is. Sony ZV E10. You can open it like this, and then you can roll it around, put it like this. I'm telling you, this camera, it's like your gateway. You need to buy this. You need to like start with this. There's so many nice cameras. There's Sony FX30, there's Sony ZV Mark II, bro, I'm telling you, there's so many nice cameras. But the only reason why I got this, it's because it's nice, compact, and it's beginner friendly. Like if someone like me who have always used this phone to do vlogging, to do whatever you do, right? For someone like me, this camera, it's gonna be a game changer. जो इस कैमरा के साथ मैंने लेंस लिया है ना, द लेंस इट्स ओके, आई एम गोना बी ऑनेस्ट, सम ऑफ यू माइट नॉट लाइक इट. जिसको कैमरा के बारे में नॉलेज है उनको लगेगा कि भाई क्या लेंस लिया है. जो ये है किट लेंस. किट लेंस इज लाइक जो कैमरा के साथ आता है. सम टाइम यू हैव टू पे लाइक $100 एक्स्ट्रा टू गेट दिस कैमरा लाइक दिस किट लेंस. बट ब्रो, आई एम टेलिंग यू, if you are a beginner, then bro, kit lens can be really nice. This kit lens is 16 to 55 f3.5 to I guess 5.6. so जैसे आपके आईफोन में you have 0.5, if you don't have iPhone, मतलब जिस भी फ़ोन में एक 0.5 कैमरा होता है ना, that's like 16 mm. अब अगर आप मैं बात करूँ 2x की, that's 50 mm. तो ये जो कैमरा है, it can go from 16 mm to 50 mm. तो आप इसको जूम कर सकते हो, जैसे like a zoom lens. Guys, see the detailing. Like even from this close, the focus level is really good. I can't believe this camera is wonderful. I'm so happy that I bought this. And if you can see the background blur, all these trees in the background, everything is blur. Everything is like blur. So see, I'm telling you guys, it's really good. It's really nice. And if I have to take some other shots.
Yeah. That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me. Nod my head, don't close my eyes. Halfway on a slow move. It's the same way you showed me. If you could fly, then you'd feel south. Up north's getting cold.